What's up, bros? I'm gonna teach you how to bypass Windows EDR with this very simple technique. Watch this. But before we start, let me introduce you to my boy Tuntutun Sahur. He's gonna be our victim for this video. So for this attack, let's pretend Tuntutun Sahur was tricked into downloading this zip file. Someone from HR sent him this, and he decided it was a good idea to take a peek inside. So my boy then decides to extract it. So he goes to extract all, extracted, blah, blah, blah. And inside of the extracted folder is this budgetsheet.pdf. But before I let my handsome friend click on this PDF file, I'm first gonna start my reverse shell. So if I go to my VM and then I type NC LNBP for ports 4444, I'm gonna start listening on this port for any potential incoming connections. So my boy is gonna click on this file, and on the surface, this looks like a regular PDF. Apparently it's a make a budget sheet because my boy likes to make it rain. But if I look at my listener, you'll see that I just got access to Tuntutun Sahur's machine. From here, we have complete control of his machine, so we can type in who am I, we can type in dir, we can look at all the files that are in that folder, we can do a ton of stuff. But if you notice, Windows EDR did not catch this. And to prove to you that it's on, I'm gonna pull up Tuntutun Sahur's Windows Defender, and here it is. So this is his Windows security. We have virus and threat protection enabled, so it looks good to me. This attack is based on this defensive evasion Mitra technique, where the actual payload, in this case our reverse shell, is hidden inside of the zip file that's sent to the user. We're able to hide it in a zip file because every zip file has a marker that tells your computer where the archive or the zip officially ends. So this marker is called the End of Central Directory Record, or EOCD. That marker points to a list of exactly which files are inside of the zip. Windows Explorer only looks at that list, and if anything extra gets tucked around it, File Explorer never actually sees it. So I took advantage of this by creating my own marker after the EOCD. All I needed to do was create my elite marker and turn my reverse shell into a series of bytes that I then appended after my custom marker. I also did this with the actual budget sheet PDF document. If you look closer at the PDF file that's in the zip folder, you'll notice that it's actually a shortcut. This is a link file that I used to call an additional PowerShell script through the target argument field. And once it's open, it goes through the zip file and it reads the bytes of the reverse shell. This is how I was able to use that zip folder as a method of storage for my malicious payload without Tuntutun Sahur knowing and essentially evading Windows EDR. This video is for informational purposes only. Don't run this against your school, your workplace, or any other computer system you don't have permission to test on. You will get caught. This demo will likely only work against consumer-grade Windows systems that are running your default Windows Defender. Enterprise environments typically run far more capable EDR, so this technique is far less likely to succeed in those environments. But if you want to find out how to actually create a better version of this payload that might bypass enterprise-grade systems, leave a comment and a like, and I'll be working on that next. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.